Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of a backpack, which is Bag Smart backpack for cameras, and I've got it. It can be purchased online at Walmart and Amazon, so I will do unboxing right now. And it came today in a box and then in this package. So here is the package. Looks like this. The brand is called Bag Smart. And I've got Bag Smart camera bag made in China. So the stickers looks like this. Wow, full out. So let's see how it looks. So this camera backpack looks like this. Ta-da! It has nice pink color. It comes also in different colors, but I like this pink one, baby pink. And material looks like this. I don't know if you can see it now. Material looks like this. Here it has handle, and the bottom part looks like this. And then this backpack is interesting design. Here it has something like this. Oh, it's like gum. I mean elastic. Here it has strap. You can hold, for example, tripod here. Then the bottom is from this material, so it's good because this part will not get dirty when you put it on the ground. That's nice of them. Here it has the pocket for bottle, for example, or other stuff. And this pocket actually spread because it has, here it has the elastic. So that's interesting. Then this backpack, here is front, and then back it looks like this. So here it's made from nice straps that have those nice mesh material, and the bottom, and also here, so it ventilates well. You will not get like overheat. Here it has strap that you can put on your luggage, so it's good for travel. The backpack, because you can put in that handles of suitcase and then it's attached. So that's good. Then it opens like so. Ta-da! And on the side where you have straps, I mean, yeah, shoulder straps, you also have this pocket for your laptop. But this bag only can hold a rather small bag, I mean small laptop, 14 inches. And it has also this thing, Velcro strap. And inside they put this. And it comes with insects, cause this backpack has something like this. This thing is like in suitcases, like divider, and it's covering this part. And here you will have, this is material like this. feels like meshy. And here is also a zipper. And then in this package it comes, and here are instructions too. So let's open it. And let's see with what kind of dividers it comes. Small like this. Two bigger one. Smaller one. And this one is the biggest. Interesting, and they have those velcros. At the end, I'm hot. And then it comes also with this, which is cover for it against the rain. That's cool. So you can cover your backpack when it's raining. And here it says how to put the things. So here I show how you can put those dividers in what configurations to put your camera. That's number one. I don't know if I did it correctly because it doesn't make sense on that picture. So I will have to figure it out. Here they say which one is which. Well, I didn't figure out this yet because I still need more time, so I will do it later. Because the thing is that this has to be figured out the way that your camera go also from here, because this backpack have additional pocket here on the side, and when you open it like so, then you can grab your camera from side, and then you don't have to open this part. That's why it's too time consuming how to figure out that camera fit here. And then it also comes with this part. So here you put some cables on another accessories and close it. So yeah, that's cool. Compartment. But I will figure out it on flat surface because on my knees it's not that easy to figure out how I want to put it. That's why I will do it later. Yeah, so I will make that compartment inside, and maybe show you how I did it. And here is the backpack, very cute, girly one. Because I have also another backpack, which is this one, Lower Pro. This one comes with compartments too. And you can adjust them. lens like this, and this one. But here I have a different situation because camera I put here. And then I have also for few lenses. This one has to figure out. Hope I will. Okay. So I did configuration this way. Here is the longest one. Here is the medium. Here is the one that doesn't have anything like extender, just simple but bigger one. Here is the smaller one with this thingy, and here's the smallest. I know it's not perfect, but it's similar. I don't know, it's even different, because here I think maybe this one can we put here, which is 75 to 200. This is 17 to 40. This one I got here or here, here, about here, maybe even here not, but maybe here, here, or here. Even on length it won't be fine. Then I have 50, no, this is 30 sigma, so this one could be here or here actually, or even here. Then let's see how this one fit. This is a big camera, Canon 60 Mark II with sigma 35. See this fit here. If I want to fit it better, I could put this one here and then do this thingy here, but then put this one here, I guess. I can try it, because this one has too much room. Well, I added insert because it seems like I used all, because I put here one to make this camera more tight. It's still not super tight, but here, because it's not entering the pocket, and this part doesn't have that material that sticks well, so that's why this part has to be like wider unless I put this part here, like this one. It can be a little floppy. And here could be for small ones too. And I have different bag, which is Gola brand. This one, and it also has this insert. Actually, has 1, 2, and this is third one. And I don't use the bag so much. I got it in Poland for only $5 on Allegro site, and it's also nice. It's got the inserts that you can put camera and lenses, and I took one insert from there and put it here, because this part was lacking for one more, because this could put here, but then here wouldn't be divider unless I put this one here somewhere. unless I remove this one and where I put it. That's why I put this one from Gola bag, and it's in nice color, and then it also flop like this. And then you have covered lens. You can put your small lens or something and cover it. So that's cool. I can use it also. Remove it and use it here. If I take this bag out, I don't know very well. And it's full bag also because it has two dividers. So here like this, I can put the camera and here two lenses. And I can take this out. What? I said close. And this one stays like this.
Who are you talking to?
To camera.
What are you going outside the frame?
I changed mine.
Why did you change mine?
I don't know. So that's it for unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. Thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And see you in the next one. And hit notification bell to be notified when I upload videos. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing. Bye.